2-for-1 deal right now. This is the reveal of my wife's car and my father's Mustang. I got both of them some cars. I'm gonna pull out the Mustang that I got for my wife for the anniversary so you can check that out, and then also pull out the Mustang for my father that I got for him so you can check that out too. So they're luckily right next to each other, and we can pull these out real quick before it gets too cold. All right guys, here we go. Okay, so here's the Mustangs. This one here, the white one, this is the one that I got for my wife. Super clean. The only thing I really need to do to this one is replace the top. It's got a little slit on the passenger side up top, and then along the back window, I'll show you here. Got some tears right there, and it's just loose there. It's nothing major, but got a little slit up here, right there. So nothing too major, but it does have a glass back window, so that's awesome. That's awesome. That's the 5.0 GT for my father, but yeah, these cars are super clean, no rust. Engines run great. This engine in here really runs well. I'm really happy with how this thing was taken care of by the previous owner. It's just so clean. So I'll show you through real quick here. So we got the white red interior, white top. It's got a red pinstripe that goes along the side there. Interior is very clean. Up personally, I like the steering wheel from the the 90 and up Mustang. Just for the airbag, it's a different design on the steering wheel, but we may swap that out if I can find one for that newer style steering wheel. But yeah, look at this seat though, just awesome condition. Okay, so here's the engine. Again, like I said, guys, this thing, all original, everything works. No cold air intake, original intake on here still. Super clean, AC works, heat works. I mean, I rarely see covers on the coils for these Mustangs. It's got the coil cover on there still. The towers, I don't know why people do this. When they say they'll clean towers, they'll take a picture of like right here. What the rust issue is down here, like where the cross member and the tower meet. Yeah, you can get some rust on the surface here, especially under the brakes and stuff like that, and master cylinder, but on the side. But the frame rail that mounts to the cross member, the K member, that's what you're looking at. So for those of you that don't know that, that's where it's at. So yeah, super clean car. Sorry, I'm talking about crazy. It's cold. Super clean car. So the Fox body Mustangs, for those that don't know, had so many different trim options and features and stuff that you can order on these things. It was ridiculous. But the anniversary models on these Mustangs have certain features on the cars that you can kind of tell them apart from. So like if you look on the window here, there's a horse right there, and there's also another horse on the passenger side on that side of the window, so you can see him from inside the car. So you got that one there, and then let's run over to the passenger side. There's something else to show you there too. And you got your horse there. Now you also have your horse here, and it says 25 years. So that's your anniversary models that had that. Not sure if that's coming into focus or not, but yeah, so 25 years right there in the bottom of that horse where they mark that. Love those pipes. Such an iconic feature of the car right there. Go ahead and start this up so you can hear it. super happy to give this car to her. Like I said, it's an anniversary edition Mustang. I got it for her for our anniversary, and this is the cleanest Mustang I've ever owned. The cleanest Mustang I've ever owned. It's from Arizona. It's super clean. It's literally just as clean on the bottom of the car as it is up top. No rust, like super clean. And the interior, like I said, is awesome condition. So yeah, guys, it's really nice. It's really nice. Yeah, that's it. Be all set. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Talk to you guys soon. Take care.